Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 12S and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's begin with a secret code. We have to open the dialer, just tap on it, and then enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom, we've got the serial number of this device, so let's tap on OK. And now let me show you another way through the settings, so let's tap on them. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to tap on About Phone. Now we have to try to localize the serial number, and let me enter the status first of all. Unfortunately, it is not here, so... Oh, sorry, I just missed the serial number, which is almost at the top of the of this section. So the serial number is right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.